In this lecture, we are going to see how to eliminate render blocking of CSS and JS with WP Rocket Cache plugin. Once you have paused configuring these basic options, it means you have configured almost 95% of this WP Rocket Cache plugin. So you should have already got the maximum optimization that you can touch within your website. These advanced options are for those who wants to customize that each and every option that they wish to play around with cache plugins. First of all, let's come to this page speed insights analysis of my website inspirearound.com. Here you can see some files that are causing eliminate render blocking issue. A few of them are JavaScript, a few of them are CSS, and one is Google font. As said in the previous lectures, to resolve this issue, the CSS file should be made to load asynchronously, which will also introduce a new issue, that is priority visible content. Let me show you a demo of priority visible content issue. Let's just enable load CSS files asynchronously option under static files tab in WP Rocket Cache plugin. Click Save Changes button and clear the cache. Open an incognito window and load your website once. Now open a new tab, go to Page Speed Insights tool and test your website. See, here is the priority visible content issue. Expand this and you can see the screenshot. You could notice the website loading without any CSS styles at first, but eventually displaying correctly with all CSS styles. Though the flash of unstyled content is only for a few milliseconds, some users may notice it. To counter this issue, we need to add the critical path CSS in this box, or just disable load CSS asynchronously option. If you choose to leave it disabled, then under Combine Files section, choose Combine all CSS files into as few files as possible. Though this won't completely remove the render blocking issue of CSS, it can reduce the number of blocking CSS files to 1, which in turn can improve your page speed insight score than before. But if you're ready to take the harder route to get some additional score in page speed insights, then follow the rest of the lecture. Else, you may skip this lecture now and move on to the next one. In this entire page speed technique too, this part alone is a bit daunting process. Let's dive into it. To acquire this critical path CSS, first we need to extract the complete CSS of our website. The complete CSS should be free from any minification. So go to Plugins and choose Install Plugins. So deactivate WP Rocket Cache, any other caching plugins like W3 Total Cache, Super Cache, etc. And also deactivate other speed optimization plugins like Speed Booster Pack, Auto Optimize, Above the Fold Optimization, etc. Now go to Add New under Plugins. Search for Above the Fold Optimization. Install and activate the plugin. Go to Above the Fold Optimization plugin settings under Appearance Side Panel item. By any chance, if you had already configured any part of this plugin, then uncheck all the checkboxes in each of the tabs and save settings first. Then come back to Critical CSS tab and scroll down to Extract Full CSS section. Pull the drop-down list and select Home Page or Index and click Download. The complete CSS file of your website's home page will get downloaded. Once you have downloaded this full CSS of your website, the daunting process is almost over. Now deactivate above the fold optimization plugin and open this link https://jonassebastianolsen.com/criticalpath-css-generator in a new incognito window. Enter your site URL here, open the downloaded full CSS of your website, select all, then copy all and paste it here. Click Critical Path CSS. Once the Critical Path CSS is generated, come back to your website's plugins page and activate WP Rocket Catch plugin. Open Static Files tab and scroll down to Critical Path CSS box. Now, copy the generated Critical Path CSS and paste it here. Hit the Save Changes button, clear the cache, and check your website. I have disabled this Load JS Files Deferred option just to show you this eliminate render blocking issue of JS files. So don't disable it after seeing this lecture. If you had, then enable it now, including the Save Mode option. Hit Save Changes and click Clear Cache option from the admin bar. Open your website in a new incognito window once to load the cache. Then do the page speed insights test. That's it. You will get the maximum possible score that you can get for the theme and hosting combination that you are using. In case you want better page loading time or page speed score, you should only move to a better page speed optimized theme or a powerful server or a premium CDN service like Max CDN. In the next lecture, let's see the other options that are available in this WP Rocket Catch plugin.